six. What a beauty. New to the ground, doesn't bother them. A boundary off the first ball. That's a UFO. It's into the stands for six. And that's a six, a massive one. He's joined the space race with that one. 6 runs. That's come out of a bazooka. Belted it far, high and away. Wowee, that's 4 consecutive sixes. It's in the air. This could be the big one. It's nice to see these two at either end. Always makes for great entertainment. That's gone away in a flash. Can you believe it? 6 sixes in a row. The batter is on fire. The bowler has beaten the batter with that delivery. What a hit. It has gone over the top. A brutal shot that soars into the crowd. He's taken the aerial route. 6 more. What a smash. That's been sliced away for 6. An impressive half century for this dynamic duo. What a shot. A stupendous blow that comfortably clears the stands. Wowee, that's 4 consecutive sixes. It's nice to see these two at either end. Always makes for great entertainment. Bam! Same result. It's a mighty mo for 6. The crowd is straining to follow that one. What a stunner. That ball's been given a holiday. Reckon it's gone overseas. Timing was exquisite. That's a huge 6. What a powerful shot. What a cracking start. A boundary off the first delivery. That was spotted so quickly by the fielder. Brilliant effort. Sensational stuff. Stopped a definite boundary with that fielding effort. Hits long and hard down the ground. Over the rope it goes. No better way to start the innings. That timing was exquisite. What an extraordinary dismissal. The batter might be in trouble here. Big push to stay in. A leg spinner has come into play. That was well judged by the fielder. A real crowd pleaser, that one. A rocket of a shot. Some unbelievable power hitting there. That's a hell of a message to the bowler. First ball boundary. Took the pace off that ball with a brilliantly timed dive. Well bowled, nothing conceded. A master blaster of a shot. What a whopper. That's played so well by the batter. That's a huge six. There's no cricket pitch on the earth that would contain that one. That's been sliced away for six. There's some fine running between the wickets. A leap of desperation. Did they make it? Up goes the finger. The batter's gone.